corona now has developed in this way. Then there is a corona, which is, I don't have any other colors. I can show you like this. Originally, the corona appeared in the lung with fever. This is the old corona. This is the original corona. Then the corona appeared in brain, then in kidney and liver, and in the stomach. Then it appeared in intestine, and then it appeared in reproduction, cells of the body. In the past weeks, we see corona in arms and legs. Except the lung, we do not see temperature in any others. Sometimes kidney and liver. In the past few days, we have seen corona creating white marks on the toes and the fingernails as it interacts with the calcium of the nail and deepens it. In the past week, 2 weeks, we've seen corona with the pain in the joints. As these are the points where bone marrow comes out, and every new cell has the calcium as a seed and automatically, immediately calcifies, creating blockage and pain. So, in fact, corona has shown its face in 6 different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the doctors today only talk about this due to the ignorance of their knowledge. We have seen now that we are handling the section here with cup number 1 and section here with cup number 2 in a totally different manner. In cases of the kidney and the liver, when it's eradicated from the body, we see pain, massive pain in the brain. As this is connected and is adjacent to the heart, this pain comes from inside interaction between the soul of the man and the soul of physicality, where the physicality confirms to the soul of the man, I have survived, and he has to adjust itself to accept the other part is not leaving. We understand the process. And the people who had the brain corona in the first phases, they speak of totally different type of pain when they have a corona of the kidney and liver just under the heart.